Why connect TLog to Solo Cloud? TLog is a specialized software designed to generate professional-grade mudlogs and strip logs. When connected to Solo Cloud, mudlogging data streams into multiple products for real-time, interactive analysis. In TLog, a well can be saved in two main ways. First, within a solo project, or second, as a local project. A solo project is stored centrally in Solo Cloud, where the mudlogging data is immediately accessible to all connected users in TLog, StarSteer, Starlight, DrillSpot, and more. In a local project, the well lives on a single computer, and mudlogging data is shared only through manual, delayed file transfers, which limits productivity. In this series, learn how to create wells with mudlogs in global projects and transfer local projects into Solo Cloud, so mudlogging data can be used collaboratively across multiple tools in real time. Continue watching to learn how to install TLog, manage TLog licenses, create solo projects, and connect mudlogs to Solo Cloud, so your team can turn mudlogging from a delayed file sharing process into a live integrated workflow.